Hey everyone, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to find the embed code of a Vimeo video. So this is going to be particularly useful in case you want to go ahead and take your Vimeo video and post it on your blog or news website or even an online course page so that your Vimeo video actually automatically plays when it's placed onto that page. So be sure to follow the step-by-step tutorial in order to learn how to do this. So first what we're going to do is go onto our Vimeo account and then find the video that you want to go ahead and get the embed code for. So here I have a demo video. Now what we're actually going to do here is click on these three dots, and then you're going to see this button that says copy embed code. So this is the code that you're actually getting placed into your website or blog. So once you actually go ahead and click on copy, you can see that the embed code has been copied. So this is the best and easiest way that I found to actually go ahead and copy or find your embed code on Vimeo. If you know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys all in the next video. Take care.